Hey everyone, I'm James McIlwee, and as you can see, we've got a big snow out here. The snow is blowing everywhere, and there are gusts of wind too, and boy, is it cold out here. What a storm. Yeah, we'll have to shovel the pathway out, I think. Yep. Boy, is it snowing like crazy out here. We'll have to shovel my mom's car out. We'll have to shovel my sister Esther and my dad's car out. Yeah. This is on Saturday morning, and this is out the side of our yard, ahead of our house, and yeah, and there's the woods back there. And boy, this sure is a big storm. This will probably be the biggest storm we've had this year. Yeah, I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah, I think this is the biggest storm we'll have this year in 2022. So yeah, that's my quick little video to show you all this. I hope you all like this video. Please rate, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to check out my channel for more videos. You can make it a favorite if you want, and share with friends. Ring the bell if you want to get notified on what's new on my channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day. Hey everyone, I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please rate, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my channel for more videos as well. You can make it a favorite if you want, and share with friends. And be sure to ring that notification bell to get notified on what's new on my channel. And thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.